I'm STP Auto Expert Steve Letarte. Whether just heading down the street or on a great American road trip, we all want our cars to be ready when we are. One of the best ways to keep your car running in top form is to set up your own maintenance schedule. Servicing your car at regular intervals will help keep its systems in top shape, plus you get the satisfaction knowing the job was done right. The easiest place to start maintaining your car is at the gas tank with STP Ultra 5-in-1 Fuel System Cleaner. Over time, deposits in the tank can make their way through the fuel system to the injectors and clog them. That can cause hard starts, decreased gas mileage, and poor performance. So adding STP Ultra 5-in-1 Fuel System Cleaner every 4,000 miles or at every oil change helps restore engine performance. It helps to remove deposits, deep cleans the entire fuel system, reduces friction, and inhibits corrosion. Maintaining your car not only saves time and money, it gives you a sense of pride knowing that you did it yourself. STP offers proven additives that you can take advantage of. Along with the ones you've seen here, visit our website, stp.com. It has a full line of products for your engine, transmission, and other systems. If you're having a specific issue, our website also has a troubleshooting section that may have just the STP solution you're looking for. That's what STP is all about, helping your car perform at its best and keeping you in control.